when a man is hardworking, they say he's determined.
That's true.
So, answer your question yourself.
Okay.
It's not true.
So, do you feel people, are you ambitious? Do you feel people take your ambition against you?
Oh, Karen, of course. Don't you have ambition yourself? Everyone in this room here, your floor director, your cameraman, they have an ambition.
Ang tawag doon, ambisyon sa buhay.
My ambition, I'll tell you, when I was a child, was to become an astronaut. My ambition when I was a teenager was to become a journalist like Tina Monson Palma. My ambition now is to save the poor from poverty. I don't need any more...
Call it messianic.
And my staff know that because the humanitarian work I do goes beyond politics. In and out of a Senate, in or out of office, whether I win or I win this election, I will continue. Did you get me?
Yes,
whether I win or I win.
I know what you mean.
I will continue to do the humanitarian good.
So but are you prepared to lose?
I am prepared to win. And what's important is that when you're in a kabayo, kita mo yung ano ng kabayo, naka-blinders yan. Basta yun ang focus mo. Now, let's talk about ambition. There is such a thing, Karen, as ethical ambition. I have never been laid back, never will watch the world go by, and just let problems solve themselves. Because the Philippines is in an ICU situation. We need leaders who can do, who will do, who understand the problem.
I want to ask you, do you think President Arroyo made it more difficult for a woman like yourself to get into the either presidency or vice presidency, given the fact she's so unpopular? I mean, I want to know your
No,
views.
Karen. For me, it's not a matter of gender. It's a matter of character. Regardless of what gender, female or male, I don't think any one person who has discredited that gender could be applied to everybody else. In your place, if there was an anchor who was unpopular, who's a woman, does that mean that you're going to lose your seat or lose your popularity? No. You will stand on your own merit, just like I will stand on my own merit. And the fact that the DE class, based the socioeconomic DE class, the poorest of the poor, continue to pin their hopes on me, then that is what drives me and inspires me.
Okay, wait. Just answer this, and just three more. I know we have to go, but please, this one. Ram herself, that's a follower, nakita si Lauren campaigning with Madame Corina's maid.
Never.
Never, okay.
I don't even know.
Might as well. Clear
that's so funny.
Things spread, I mean,
campaigning with a maid. Maybe that's a good idea. No, it's not.
All right, okay, next.
I haven't even seen her in my life.
All right. Peter Sigohir Jr. says, do you oppose a parallel manual count, or would you want that?
I think that's moot and academic because it's been junked already.
All right.
So regardless.
All right. KDD Panganiban says, if Noy Noy wins, would you be open to be a member of his cabinet?
No.
No. Okay. So no. All right. That was blunt. All right. No. But will you support...
Hindi blunt yun. Mahinin nga no.
No. Okay. All right. So, Lauren, please speak to our viewers right now. You have the floor. And, you know, it's only how many days left before Election Day? Is it 10? 10 days to go. Can you imagine? And as Pulse Asia says, in politics, 1 week is a long time. Go ahead.
Because things change. Bilang kaisa-isang babaeng vice-presidenteng kandidato, lahat naman, alam natin mga lalaki, at sigurado man lalaki magiging pangulo. Hinihingin kong kuntulong ang ating mga kababaihan at lahat na nagmamahal sa ating kababaihan na tulungan ng isang babaeng kumakandidato bilang vice-presidente na hindi lamang may kakayanan at marami na nagawa, kung hindi may malasakit sa mga taong naghihirap. At yung mga nasalanta ng Ondoy at Pepeng sa Luzon at ngayon nagdurusa dahil sa El Nino. Si Loren Legarda po nakakaintindi ng inyong problema. Hindi na po mangyayari ang Ondoy at Pepeng, ang Ramil at Santi, at ang El Nino ngayon, ang kawalan at pagsasalanta dahil naintindihan ko po yung problema at alam ko pong gagawing solusyon. Loren Legarda po nagpapasalamat sa inyo.
Okay, may pahabol dito. Are you seeing anyone? No, that's not...
Seeing anyone, what do you mean?
Seeing...
personal?
Yes.
My God, where will I find the time? Ni wala akong panahon magkita, magtulog. Matulog 3 to 5 hours in my eye bags, no?
So you're not dating. No, I asked Senator Pia Cayetano the same thing, and somebody tweeted
Sana.
Oo.
Saan? Una, saan ang panahon? Pangalawa, saan ang date?
Okay, so
Sino?
none. Would you want...
Ba't natatawa yung cameraman mo?
But are you open to...
Name me one person who is qualified, not for president or vice president, to be a date.
Uy, ano yung qualifications mo for a man?
A man. Natatawa kayo.
A man, wait. But are you open to remarriage? For remarriage?
Hindi ko iniisip yan. Ang iniisip ko, kung paano labanan ang gutom, kung paano nalabanan ang El Nino.
Ito naman, 24 hours a day. Yun ang
I'm
iniisip
passionate
mo.
about it.
Okay.
Karen,
Oo.
kasi lumabas kayo, lumalabas, sa mga air condition yung newsroom. Tignan
Uy,
nyo.
lumalabas ako,
Lumalabas ka.
ah. Oh, go ahead,
Okay.
go ahead.
Hindi, sorry,
Oh, no
nagtuturo ako.
problem, no problem,
Hindi,
no
matanda ako
problem.
dito, Kapel.
Go.
Tignan nyo, nakakaiyak ang mga nasasalantang maisan sa Cagayan Valley. Tignan nyo, umiiyak ang mga magsasaka sa tigang-tigang na lupa. Tignan nyo, dyan malapit lang ang Angat Dam, talaga ang bababa ng tubig. Ang dami-daming problema. Pero walang connection, sinabi mo, are you seeing anyone? Una, saan ang panahon? Pangalawa, saan yung date? Pangatlo, hindi yan prioridad ngayon. Pero,
yun.
never say never.
Okay, so you weren't seeing the president of East Timor? I mean, wasn't he like texting you? Or something? He was courting you?
Hindi naman court,
Oo.
magkaibigan.
Okay.
Hindi pa magkaibigan.
Wow!
Iba yung magkaibigan.
Coming
Natatawa.
from Chief Escuderos Tagalog yan, ah.
Iba yung magkaibigan, iba yung magkaibigan. O yun.
Okay.
Mukhang tuwan-tuwa tong cameraman mo sa akin. No? Pinapatawa
Single
ko lang.
kasi. No,
Ayun,
kidding. No.
ayun.
All right, now many people won't know before we leave. You're 50 years old.
Ay, nako. Ngayon lang po during campaign na bisto akong 50 years old dahil...
You're 50 years
Yes.
old, but you haven't touched your face, nothing?
Oh, no.
This is the Lauren
No,
face.
no, wala. Oh, yan
Wala.
po. Kailangan na po yata. Tuturuan ako ni Karen kung anong
Ah,
gagawin.
so,
Yeah, tsaka po,
so
humaharap,
at 50
humaharap palang makeup po. Naku.
No, so at 50, what do you do?
What do I do? Wash my face.
That's it?
Yes.
Nothing more?
Pudpud ang kamay. Walang makeup.
Okay.
Walang hairdo. Basta ang buhok kaya po nakatali. Pasensya na po. After May 10 ko, magiging kasing ganda naman ako ni
No,
Karen.
please. All right. Well, Lauren Legarda, Senator Lauren Legarda, good luck to you. And I'm curious to know what will happen on May 10 and after that as well. And thank you very much for dropping by. And I'm
Thank you,
wishing you the
Karen.
best. I'm
Thank you
wishing
very
the best.
much. Maganda umaga. Isang lunti ang araw sa ating lahat.
Okay. Head Start will be right back after the break. Keep it here on ANC.